Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy, here to tell you about something that a lot of people miss when they visit Silver Dollar City, the opening ceremonies. Even though the park officially opens at 10 a.m., Main Street opens an hour earlier, so come early and enjoy a great breakfast and a pre-show. Then at 9:50, the opening ceremony begins. The street crew will come together to welcome you and get the crowd into a giant sing-along. During the song, current and past military members line up for flag raising. This is something you absolutely do not want to miss. In the 5 years that I was running sound for all the shows there, I ran the sound for these ceremonies well over 1,000 times, and it was always the highlight of my time there.
Gentlemen, please remove your hats. And if you would, please join us as we say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we sing our national anthem.
As soon as the flag raising ceremony is over, the chains are dropped to officially open the rest of the park. And like I said, be sure to come early to see the opening ceremonies. I promise you'll remember this for years to come. Be sure to check out the description for the printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of these time and money saving tips. Have you ever been to the opening ceremonies? If so, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. And if you appreciated this video, let me know by hitting the like button. Did you know Silver Dollar City was built around a cave? It sure was, and that's what I'll explain in the next video shown here. Thanks for watching, and tell your friends.